Welcome back, children. Are you all still in Taj Mahal? Feeling very bad because of the cancer of Taj Mahal? Why I call cancer? Yeah, it is called marble cancer. The color is not there, the original color. We call that as a marble cancer. Now we'll go back. We have to do something for Taj Mahal. We will do it. Don't worry. We'll go back. What is the first? We'll find out the problems and we'll go for the solution. See, so far I told you about what are the problems and causes by nature, causes by human activities, all that I told you. I'm continuing that. And to the next topic, the other one, because there are a lot of holes in the ozone layer. I just spoke to you about ozone layer. There is a protect shield between the earth and to the sun. Both of us are having a warm relationship as long as the ozone layer is perfect. If there is any problem, already started. So when there is a problem, we have to face a lot of issues. That we call it as a global warming followed by greenhouse effect. Now first we'll see what is global warming. We have lot of industries. Just you pass any small cities, we have at least 25 small industries. You could see from there, like some gas smokes will be going up. We are not bothered because it we are not nearby. If we ask that factory man, oh, I know, my factory is too hot, pa, I'm waiting to come out after 8 hours. This is the words they use it. So very rarely they take a correct step to control the pollution. Otherwise, just they leave it. Just they leave it. It goes. That affects the gases, the blanket of air. We call it as atmosphere. These industries release sulfur dioxide. It's one of the very dangerous gas, and nitrogen dioxide. These gases already, you know about water cycle, evaporation of water from a liquid to a gaseous form, that we call it as a evaporation, then condensation, and then you have rain. This you have learnt in 5th standard, right? This, they have water vapor. Yes, they wait for the favorable conditions. These water vapor will react with sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These are all present in the atmosphere. These two persons went new. Okay, the sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen dioxide went new, and already who's present there? The water vapor throughout the day, 24 hours they are there. Okay, they form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. They form acid. Acid is, it is a very 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 powerful liquid which can even make a hole anywhere. Very dangerous. Okay, these come down as a acid rain. Already the previous this one itself I just touched it, I didn't explain well. They form as a acid rain. Actually last year I think during the month of April, there was a slight touch in some places. Actually, the leaves I could see yellow dots was there. On the vehicles I saw, on the clothes I saw. I found it and I started discussing with the neighbors, and I discussed this also in the class. They all felt it. It was not a heavy rain, but there was a drizzling, which is acid rain. Okay, ma? This sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide forms sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This mixed with water vapor, they are always, they are ready to form a water droplets. Their work is to form as a rain. They don't know whether it is an acid rain or a normal rain. They just fall as a acid rain. This come down with the rain. The rain become acidic. What will happen? Very harmful, because it will even again destroy the building. If they can destroy the building, imagine the living things. The living things also can be destroyed. This will affect the beautiful buildings, temples, churches. I gave only one example, Taj Mahal. Then, stunted growth of the plant. Normal growth will not be there, normal production will not be there. Now, what happened to the human? Not only human, all living things like they have some allergic reaction, maybe on the skin or maybe eyes. Suddenly, you will have eye irritation without knowing. Then, if you go to the doctor will say some allergic reactions because of air. Clean it properly and they'll give us medicine. This the acidic rain will causes so many things. Affect the monuments, not only monuments, big buildings, churches, temples, mosques. These are all the very, very, very special buildings for us. Not only that, we have all the government big buildings. Taj Mahal is a monument. Yes, of course, it is true. But every building is affected. That is because it is a monument. It has to be protected. That is why we are giving example Taj Mahal. This is called a greenhouse effect. Because why I am telling you, this ozone layer act like a glass. The sun heat, it is filtered, not filtered. Suppose I'll give a very simple example. Okay, this you just see, daddy is angry, right? You are there, you are the victim. What will happen? Mummy is not at home. Okay, daddy started shouting, he is ready to go to the second level. By the time mummy enters, what will you will have? Oh, she will take care. She will be a filter between you and the father. uh he has got a 90%, don't worry. Yes, next year, next term, he will get 100 by 100, don't worry. See, she will take half of the effect and you will get only half effect. Then she knows how to dilute it and change the topic, right? Now, just fit the same example. Sun is here, sun is the father. Then it always have a radiation to the earth, to the sunlight. It is doing good for us, but that sunlight is very, very, very strong. So you need someone to filter it. That is the ozone layer. It will act like a glass. That there it will be filtered. The sunlight enters through the transparent glass. The heat is released by the form of infraradiation. See, radiation. After that, we are getting allowed to escape. See, excess heat. Then we are getting this carbon dioxide. See, from here we have some reactions. It has to go. The heat from the earth has to, through the transparent glass, it has to go. It is not allowed. What happened? We get more heat. This we call it as a global warming, because the whole earth, the whole globe is not sending back. It has to be vice versa. It has to be both the side go and come back. This is what. But coming is there, going back, because of pollution of carbon dioxide is more in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide having the habit of not allowing the heat. It will trap the heat and keep it with us. So what happened? The whole earth is becoming hotter than the previous year. We used to say, yo, last month January was cool, this month it is so hot. What are we doing? We are doing a lot of things. I will tell you why it has become global warming. So it is, the whole earth has become warm. We call it as a global warming. These rays, this infrared rays, pass through the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. It has to pass through. After reflection from the earth, it is not allowed to leave the atmosphere. That is because of the I told you, because of more carbon dioxide. Is already carbon dioxide having the habit of trapping the heat. It is keeping it with it. It has to be reflected. It has to send out. No, this effect we call it as, this is the carbon dioxide not sending it out. This is in the blanket of air. So this effect we call it as a greenhouse effect. This is calling as a greenhouse effect. It is happening because of CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Miss, what can we do to avoid all that? We have to decrease cutting down of trees, increase growing of trees. Afforestation should be encouraged, deforestation should be discouraged. And then we have to use CNG and LPG fuels, and we have to have a filtered vehicle filters properly, and pollution control board will have an active measures on the factories. And then we have to have what else, cutting down, already I told you, we should have a lot of green plants. Then we'll have the trapping and the warming up. Why we are going to Ooty? Ooty is now no way very special than Salem, right? Why? There are more trees. Naturally, there is more oxygen, less carbon dioxide. So the trapping and keeping the heat is not there. Greenhouse effect is good there. So we are flying to Ooty or Kodaikanal during this hot seasons. It is because less of carbon dioxide, so global warming is less there. That is why people are running to cold places. This is the way we can avoid. We can plant more trees, we can avoid cutting down trees, we can use the CNG and LPG vehicles, all that. We can use petrol, without petrol vehicles like cycles, carts, all that we can use. Avoid using vehicles for a short distances. All this is the thing. And we have to have a quality control board in every factories, pollution control board, and they have to report how they are doing it. All that has to be encouraged. The students and the people have to have an awareness program about all these pollutions and what is going on, why are we are suffering like this. Then if you tell them continuously, I think that's all will work out. This is what all about air pollution, and I will talk about on Friday class water pollution. Okay, good day to you, and I'll be sending this video with the some homework for you. I want you all to draw about air pollutions, four types, like four example, any four example, maybe a factory, or maybe from any other places, like one person is cutting down tree and there's no trees, so carbon dioxide is increased, like that. You can imagine and show four example for air pollutions. Okay, and I will tell you what is it. This is a drawing, and the writing part I'll be sending next week for you. This you just listen to it. We'll have a test, maybe on a Saturday, or a Saturday before that I'll inform you. If any explanation is needed, please call me. That number what I'm sending from there, the WhatsApp number is coming. It ends with 8752, I think so. Just call me. Any ideas? Then one more thing, the previous lesson what I took, please copy it in notebook. If you have any doubt, just ask me. I will send it again. Now I'll send it. There is only one page, there was a problem, so I'll send it for you. Otherwise, please copy it, and that there is no diagrams. Well, the question answers are more, no issues, just learn it. And then when the exam is on, I will tell you what are the important questions in that particular lesson, because if it is more. Thank you. Stay safe.